Hello Jim Tech Buzz, we've got something new from Soundcore by Anchor, the Liberty 4 premium sound earbuds with all new heart rate sensor built in. Hear ID ANC up to 28 hours of playtime, high res audio wireless and ACAA coaxial acoustic system. Pretty nice. Now I have the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros, which are fantastic pair of earbuds and one of the best earbuds from last year. So we're looking forward to seeing what these sound like. And on the side here, heart rate sensor. And in your heart rate sensor detects your heart rate so you feel in tune with your body. On the back, you've got your Google Play App Store here so you can use their app, which is pretty good. Again, ACAA 3.0, in-ear heart rate sensor for heart rate tracking, spatial audio for immersive sound, Hear ID sound 2.0 personalised listening, up to 9 hours and 28 hours with the case. And on the side there, enjoy premium sound via third generation of our coaxial acoustic systems, 2 dynamic drivers. So there seems to be a lot going on there. So it gives you 360 degree immersive spatial audio, and that's pretty good to hear. Right, very nice presentation here. Heart rate tracking, wellness, workouts, your case, your earbuds, and of course your tips. The tips just pop out there so you can have them at hand like so. We've got a slide out here. So that's what you get in there. You get your booklets and you get your cable. And has Soundcore branding, USB-A, USB-C, PAP21 Recolta card, whatever that means. Slide that back in. Very nice presentation indeed. So we've got the earbuds which come with tips on them already, and their stems as you can see, and we've got our case which is a slider. Pretty nice. Very nice pocketable case as well. Nice smooth matte finish, looks really nice. Have a closer look at the earbud so you can see. And you've got Soundcore written on it there on the side. And you can see you've got a kind of gold accent in there on the inside. Like that with clear tips. Let's pop them in the case. Very strong magnet from putting them in. They will not fall out 100%. Close them up. Do we see any form of light? Oh yeah. So they light up inside like that. Pretty cool. And that's really it. So far, impressive presentation and look really nice, and look forward to testing them out. So if you have any questions, you know what to do. Ask us down below and we'll have a full review soon with a look at their app and all the usual stuff we do and how we feel about them. So ask the questions, we will ask, we will answer as we always do, and give you a full hands-on review after we test them out for a while, so we can tell you what we think, and if we have any questions that you might have for us, we can answer them for you. So stay tuned, and we'll talk to you very soon for the full review on techbuzzireland.com. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.